Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very proud to have Weber with me today. Weber is our online student from Melbourne, one of the hardest working, I'll say, student I've ever came across. Weber has got 8 each, 83 in reading, writing, and listening, 84 in speaking. Congratulations, Weber, very well done.
Thanks, Varun, and thanks to LA Academy.
Thanks for that. Well, very first thing I would like to ask you, I know you were struggling a bit with your speaking before you joined us, right? This time 84 in
Yes.
speaking, how's that?
Yeah, so actually, I was struggling a lot in speaking. Not sure why. Maybe because I was lagging in strategies and all. So I was not able to cross 60 also in speaking. In
Hmm.
my last few attempts, I was getting constantly 60 below in speaking. So I gave a couple of attempts last year, but I couldn't get score in speaking. So I thought something is wrong with my strategies. So I gone through your YouTube videos and all. So and I gone through the feedbacks that your academy is getting from the students and all. So I thought, okay, let me join some classes. So that time there was a lockdown here, and anyway, Language Academy is not available in Melbourne. So I thought, okay, let me
Hmm.
join through online portal,
Hmm.
and I joined online portal. So basically, this time I did not rush. I thought, okay, let me give some time. So my last attempt was in somewhere in March. So I took almost 3 months to go for the next attempt. So basically, I attended all the strategy classes for speaking, listening, writing, and all. So it's just not like that I attended only one class. So I attended a couple of classes for each section, and
Hmm.
then I attended practice classes also. So I think the boosting point for my speaking section was the tips provided specially for the right for sorry this retail lecture,
Hmm.
describe image, and repeat sentence.
Hmm.
So initially I thought, okay, I have to do the exact what the PT speaker is saying.
Hmm.
And there I think I was because I was not able to recollect everything in repeat sentence, so I was fumbling, and maybe because of that my pronunciation and my fluency was getting impacted. And same with the image, describe image, because I was trying to recollect each and everything from the image. And same with the retail lecture also. So my notes taking strategy was not good, I think. And because
Hmm.
I joined and I attended few classes, then practice sessions, and I observed people who were good. I observed them. I gave some time to myself this time. I did not rush. I did not compare myself also. So don't compare yourself that what others are doing. Just
Hmm.
observe them. If you are lagging, try to get the positive thing from them, rather
Hmm.
than just thinking about, oh, that guy is good than me and he's very fast. So
Hmm. Hmm.
normally, yeah, that happens. So if you join classes, so you, because what happened in classes, some people already joined that classes from last 3 months,
Correct.
4 months, and if you are new to that, so your sometimes your confidence gets low. But you
Correct.
should not do that. So what you should do, you just focus that attend the classes, get the strategies, get the tips, practice yourself. And main is the mock test. So
Hmm.
I think there are around 40 plus mock test
Correct.
for the speaking section. So I almost gave 35 mock test out of, so I think 4 or 5 on the were pending.
Hmm. Hmm.
And yeah, so that was the basic I think basic point where my speaking has increased dramatically, I
Hmm.
can say, not lot, dramatically, from 57 to 84
Yes,
directly.
correct. That's right. So basically, you were not really sure. You were trying your best, but you were not really sure where you were going wrong, right?
Yes, correct.
So it's very important, as Weber has pointed out, very important we understand the strategies and we take a lot of mock tests. Weber, being an online student seems a bit daunting sometimes, right? That whether it will work or not. How was your experience being an online student, and what do you think? How important is the feedback when it comes to your PT exam?
Yeah, so being an online student, actually, you don't go to classes and you don't have that environment. So what happened? So initially, when I started giving the mock test, So it was actually frustrating. So because you are new, and so when you start something new, you don't get that suddenly you don't go to the 80, right? So you
Correct.
will get some 60, 70, and then you should go to for the feedback. So once you give the mock test, go for the feedback. Then I think I got the feedback from you, Priyanka madam, and Swati madam also, for my initial mock test, where I was getting 60, 65, and 70. Then you corrected
Hmm.
me in some sections like describe image
Hmm.
and repeat sentence, especially read aloud also. So after that, I practice again a few mock tests, and then slowly my score went up to 75, yeah, then 79, and sometimes I used to get 85 also in the portal. So
Hmm.
yeah, so actually, I would just say in portal, it's not like you will get 90 every time.
Hmm.
Okay, so
Correct.
don't think that you will until and unless you get 90, you are ready. If you are
Hmm.
getting consistently 79 plus
Correct.
in portal mock test, then I think your speaking
You're
section
good to
is
go for
ready.
this. That's
Yeah.
100% correct.
So that is with respect to the speaking section.
Hmm.
And I think apart from that, uh, the, the templates that you have provided for essay writing, then the tips or strategies that you have provided for summarize written text as well as the spoken summarize spoken text, that are really really good. And the most
Hmm.
important is the write from dictation. So I don't
Hmm.
think so you will get that strategy anywhere else. That's
That's
what
that's
you have provided, and that's how the score of writing as well as the listening will boost a
go.
lot. Because I was getting around 79 or 78 in listening and writing in my last some
Hmm.
attempts. But I
Hmm.
think that because of the write from dictation, the strategy that you provided, I think because of that I cross the barrier of 80.
That's right. Very well done, man. Any final tips and advice for students for who are planning to go for the exam, who are missing by a few points, not really sure what to do? Any advice you take out from your journey that yes, if I could have done this thing earlier, I would have got the score. Any advice as such, please?
Yeah, I think it took me around almost 2.5 years to reach to the 80 plus, because my first attempt I gave in 2019 Jan. So I think sometimes we lose focus, or sometimes we lose our confidence. So if you have lose your confidence, or you think that you can't get score in PT, just join LA Academy. And after joining, don't go directly for the attempt. Give some time, give some 1 month, 2 months period,
Hmm.
practice it. Go to the mock test. Mock tests are very very important. Go through the mock test. Also the fill in the blanks, right? So what happened means, usually what I used to do, I was trying to memorize that. So this time, after joining the classes, I go through the all 300 400 these refill in the blanks for right as well as the other section. So what I did, I tried to relate first. So whenever I used to practice, I used to relate that why
Hmm.
we selected this the rules, and what are the rules that you have provided. And that then slowly usually initially it was taking a little bit time. But
Hmm.
after some time, I was so if I give the example, like initially if I'm doing one fill in the blank, so I used to get 2 or 3 right out of 5. Then after practicing a lot, understanding that thing, so I was used to get all correct. So
Hmm.
that is the more important thing. And mock test, you should go through the each sectional mock test as well as the full mock test. So I gave couple of not couple, I think I gave 10 plus mock test, full mock test,
Hmm.
30 plus mock test for all sections, each
That's
section,
right.
not all section. So that's how you can boost, but it takes a lot of
Hmm.
efforts and patience. But yeah,
100%. 100%. It does.
it give, once you get that 80 plus, it
It's
give you
worth
the
it.
yeah, it give you the something so that feeling you can't express.
That's 100% correct. Guys, what I take out from Weber's journey is that first of all, don't give up and be patient. You need to make sure you don't rush. You need to follow the process. If you join the classes today, or if you start practicing today, you won't straight away jump from 60 to 90. You'll have to give some time. It will take some time to improve, but once you're consistent, once you keep on practicing every day, once you make sure that yes, this is something I need to achieve and this is how I have to achieve it, you are going to see improvement, and that improvement will take you from where you are right now to where you want to reach. And that is Weber did, practiced, got the feedback, made sure that he's taking each and every mock test, 30 plus speaking mock test, 10 full mock test, requires a lot of effort. Very well done. All the very best for your Nati now.
Thanks, Varun. Hopefully,
That's
I
it
will
from
clear
this video,
NATI
guys.
also.
Make sure you keep on practicing. Don't give up. If he has done it, I have done it. You can do it as well. Just make sure you follow the right strategies. Make sure you know where you're going wrong. If let's say you have taken the exam today, you didn't get the score, you go for the exam, do the same thing tomorrow, you're going to get the same score. Before you go for the next exam, you need to change a few things, and that is something which will get you the score. If you need any help with any of your English exams, make sure you contact us, WhatsApp us on any of the numbers given below, and we'll make sure you get your desired score in the very first go. Thank you, and I'll see you very soon.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.